You can tell this has seen better days. Okay, I'm going to give this a whirl, let you know how this works. Hey. Get ready to say fluff you to pesky pet hair. That's funny. Some of the culprits. What? Oh my gosh. That is freaking insane. Are you kidding me? Holy moly. Okay, that's one little spot. You push that little button and look at all that. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got to keep going. We got to keep going. Here we go. Wow, 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 wow. What? Holy smokes. Yes, you absolutely need this. Whoa. Okay, my dog Nova, she says grab yours right here in the TikTok shop. Right, Nova? Right, Nova? No more pet hair. Where's my kitties at? Okay, let's go see the other culprit. There's Tig. And there's the other one right there. Oh, kitty.